Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another educational Nextraker video, and as the title states, I will be showing you guys 10 ways to sneak your favorite snacks and candy into class without getting caught. The only twist here is that this time around we are only going to be using Christmas related items. This is perfect for the holiday season, but before we get started with these, let's get to the giveaways. And since we are so close to reaching one of our like goals in a previous video, I will be giving away an Xbox One to someone in the comments. Congratulations to Don Randomness. You will be getting a brand new Xbox One in the mail for Christmas. Remember that all these giveaways were made possible by you guys and your constant support. So as far as the giveaways for this video, if we get 10,000 likes on this video before December 25th, 2019, I will give away 5 drones to 5 different subscribers of my channel from the comments. To participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is like this video and leave a comment below telling me what you would do if you won one of these drones. Remember that these drones not only fly, but they also record video and you have full control of them. They're just so much fun, guys. And again, to enter this giveaway, all it takes is a like and a comment on this video. Good luck, pranksters. Now let's get these school life hacks going. Let's kick things off right. We all love Lunchables, and these make the perfect snack for when we are hungry, but a lot of teachers won't let us take these into class. Luckily, I have a couple gift boxes that we can use to sneak some Lunchables into class. Let me show you the first box. It's red, shiny, and has a ribbon and bow that runs across the top. This box is also the right size for my Lunchables, so I'm gonna put them inside. As for the lid, we're gonna push the ribbon to the side, and with a blade, we are gonna make a cut from one end to the other parallel to the ribbon. Be as precise as possible until we are able to split the box lid in half. Now let's open up the Lunchables and have them handy inside the gift box. To cover our tracks, we will place both pieces of the lid on top of the box. Because of the ribbon on top, the box will look normal and there won't be any reason to suspect anything. You can even tape up both sides of the box so it looks like it's sealed shut. Have this box handy on your desk while at school. Since it's the holiday season, most teachers won't mind. Every now and then when you want some Lunchables, just lift up and enjoy. It's so simple yet so easy to hide them just in case your teacher walks in your direction. Seriously guys, this is so easy to pull off and it looks like I just made me a Lunchable sandwich. Another simple method to enjoy your Lunchables in class is the following. Again, we will need a gift box. This gift box I got for a couple dollars at Walmart and it was just the perfect size, height and width wise. Lengthwise though, it's a little bit longer, but that's exactly how I need it to be. As far as the lid, it has a special decoration of a reindeer on top which can easily be peeled off. So let's begin by opening up our Lunchables so they are at our disposal. Now as far as the lid, we're gonna peel off the decoration. It's basically just being held on by double-sided tape. On the center of the lid, the portion that the decoration covers, we are gonna make a cutout. Should be a significant size, as we need to be able to reach inside the box. The size shown here is perfect. See guys, if we put the lid back on the box, we can have easy access to our Lunchables. We can even slide them up and down, which is why the length of this box is so important. Let's cover our tracks to make things a bit more legit. We are gonna apply some tape on the sides so that our teachers see that our present is sealed shut and that there is no way for us to reach in there. Now when our teacher isn't looking, we can peel back the decoration and enjoy our Lunchables. There's just no way that we can get caught here, guys. Now we're gonna sneak some Takis and hot Cheetos extra into class, and to achieve this is very simple. You'll need 2 gift bags of the same size, but they don't necessarily have to have the same decoration on it. I don't know about you guys, but I love mixing both chips together, so let's dump the Takis into the gift bag and then let's add the hot Cheetos into the same bag. I'm gonna shake up this bag to mix up those chips really well. Then as far as the top of the bag, we are gonna seal it shut with some tape. As far as the other bag, we will have to remove the bottom by cutting it off. If we take the bag with the chips and put it inside, when aligned it will look normal and you wouldn't imagine that there's anything wrong with this bag. The top of this bag will also be sealed shut with some tape, just so that no one thinks that we're reaching in there for any food. We can easily pull out the bag and create an opening to be able to have access to our chips. About this size works. At this point we are done and we can lay the bag on its side on our desk. It will look normal, but you can easily pull it out when you get hungry and just reach in there for some chips. See, we have plenty of chips in there, so we can also share with our friends and our neighbors in class. I really love this ornament gift box as it's very appealing and very handy when sneaking candy into class. We can actually open this up, and as you guys can see, I put a small present in there. It's a fidget spinner. So let's empty it out and replace it with some candy, and my choice of candy will be some Reese's Pieces. But of course M&ms or Nerds would be great for this too. Keep it handy on your desk, and if your teachers ask, just let them know that it's a Christmas ornament. Little will they know that there's candy in there, and you can enjoy your candy throughout the day. These plastic containers shaped as candy canes are very popular during the holiday season because they contain candy such as Reese's peanut butter cups, just like the ones you see right here. So if you were to take this into class, your teacher might suspect something. So the best way to sneak these into class is by dressing it up as a Christmas present. Oh, and by the way, to open this up, all you have to do is twist off the plug. So let's wrap up the body of this giant candy cane with some decorative paper. Make it appear as if it's a Christmas present, but please do not wrap the plug as we need to be able to pop it out as we please. At first glance, it'll look like a sealed up Christmas present, but if you pull out the plug, you can have access to your candy just like me. Another way to pull off something similar in class is if we were to take a giant candy cane like this one. This particular one contains Kit Kats inside. We don't really need the plug, so let's get rid of that. As far as the tube that contains the actual candy, we are gonna stick it inside a roll of wrapping paper, but we'll have to prep it first. As you can see right here, I balled up a piece of wrapping paper and placed it inside the roll. Now let's put the tube of Kit Kats inside and push down on the balled up paper. This will help keep the tube in place. To cover our tracks, another balled up piece of wrapping paper will go on top, and that's it. Bring this roll of wrapping paper to class, and if anybody asks, just tell them that you gotta wrap up a present for Secret Santa. Now, while in class, you can pull out the ball of paper and enjoy your Kit Kats. It's just as simple as that, guys. This right here is a large tin can, and inside it contains some delicious cookies. If you take this into class, it would be obvious that you have food in there, and some teachers might keep an eye on you just because of that. But if you were to take a smaller tin can and put some cookies from the larger tin can in there, it would make a big difference, especially because you can get some tissue paper to cover them. So now while you're in class, you can have this present on your desk and open it from time to time to reach in for some cookies. Here I have a bunch of candy that I can easily sneak into class with the help of a Christmas present. All I have to do is tuck them in between the box and the box cover. As you see right here, they fit in perfectly, and just like the rest of these hacks, I can keep this on my desk and play it off as a present for someone in school. But throughout the day, I can reach in there and get some candy. This next one is a favorite of mine because I love M&ms, and here I have 2 boxes of them. We're gonna pass both of these off as Christmas presents, but before we do that, let's open up both M&M boxes and dump some inside the other. Usually when you buy these new, they come in half full, so let's fill it up to capacity. At this point, one box is empty and the other one is completely full. Now we can wrap them up, and see they look identical, but of course one is heavier than the other. So the box with the M&Ms, we are actually gonna create an opening on it. Something like this will do. As you can see, there's plenty of M&Ms in there that we can enjoy while in class. The last step is to stack the present with the empty box on top. Use tape on one side to keep both presents together. See how easily we can open and close these up? By placing a bow on top, it will make it look more legit and less suspicious. Throughout the day, you guys can just lift up and enjoy your M&Ms. Since there's plenty of them in there, you guys can share with your friends and neighbors. For this last one, we are gonna need a Christmas stocking such as the one I have right here. This one is a plain old green stocking, and inside I'm filling it up with some school supplies so no one would be suspicious of this. Here is how we're gonna use this stocking to sneak some candy into class. And the type of candy that we will be using for this example is Laffy Taffies, but you can always use any type of flat candy. Simply just tuck all of them inside the fold of the stocking, such as I'm doing right here. You can use safety pins to keep everything tight, but that's pretty much it. If you keep this on your desk, you can have candy at your disposal all day. If someone was to look inside, all they would find would be school supplies. There you guys have it, 10 clever ways to successfully sneak your favorite snacks and candy into class without getting caught. As you just saw, all we needed was Christmas items to achieve that. Now guys, at the start of this video, I gave away an Xbox One to a lucky subscriber from the comments, and I mentioned a new giveaway. Once this video hits 10,000 likes, I will give away 5 drones to 5 different subscribers of my channel. And to participate, all you have to do is like and comment on this video. These are some really fun drones, so you definitely don't want to miss out on this giveaway. Best of luck to all of you who enter. Have an amazing holiday season. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.